In the next 2 minutes now, I'll be showing you how to convert a PDF file to an editable document. It is absolutely free. I don't need to pay. I don't even need to use the internet to do this. I will be using a free app that I already have on the device, and I'm sure you have it too. So I go to this search icon, click on it and type Word to search for Word app. Here is Word app. I open it. This is the Word document app. I go up here to File, then Open. Then I search for the PDF file. I go to Browse to look for the folder where I have it. It's in my download folder. Here is the PDF file. I can double click to open it or select and click Open. And this pops up. It says Word is about to convert the PDF file to an editable document. Of course, that's what I want to do. And leave all this as default. Don't worry, it will do it perfectly for you. Just give it OK. And the conversion is going on. The conversion is going on here. In few seconds, it is done. Now I can edit, highlight, delete, add my own text, and I can even drag text and objects around the file.